ki samla pule kan thei bat sinrang ki bodan hadu south pa khat saw ngot ha ka santarik unai wieng ki layo yak jingithuh bakar pang na right lawan social cultural organization halo ka jingla ba ka jongki ha ki examen pair ha ka ba ki la chapan ku burom ya ka ni ki jingpun ku burom la panlong na right lawan social cultural organization hapo ka jilam ba sanbor sulai kumu president bot kumjuru ameli ka 19 sau Shillong ha ka ba GHP Raju IPS principal secretary H and veterinary level ulawan banlong kum kongsan ya ka ni ki jingpun ku burom la tip kum 19 Meritorious Award for Student 2022 yakabala penlong daga right lawan social cultural organization haka jingtre lang ryngkat bat sarkar jela haus suso tham auditorium haka ni jingpun ko borom kiladon riusan ngut kisamla ki bedai ki topa haki examen pair kilayo pediang daga laptop no basan bor haringkat bat kajing ai sungobha habakran hak jelang GHP Raju labu ka jingkerpat sabaro kisamla pule ki balasya pen ko burom bakin dangya pitang bandang le ba susu haki singi banwan hak jing pule ka jongki khnang ba hak wai ka singi baro ki jing nut jongki kan urlong.
Next we have Ms. Natalia Kyrwoh.
Amok mengerti.
I bow my head to each and every teacher assembled here because it says that you have to sacrifice. A candle sacrifices itself to lit the lamp of knowledge in the mind of the. It's a very famous Buddhist saying. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. The teacher, like a candle, sacrifices himself, herself, to light the lamp of knowledge in the young mind so that the student become a lifelong learner. So the journey begins with you, madam, with you, sirs. It's like a mission. Don't take the teaching as a job. It's not a job. It's a service. It's a mission. The parents, they leave the lads at your mercy to plant the seeds of the knowledge in the young minds, to make this the cerebral capacity, 1400 cc cerebral capacity, as a fertile ground for the seeds to sprout, the seeds of knowledge. The noblest of the professions is the teaching profession. Someone has asked me, sir, suppose what I would have been had I not been a civil servant. Absolutely single word, teacher. Had I not got into the civil services, sir, I would have taken up the teaching profession because it is the noblest of the professions. I just request that every teacher may kindly pay attention to one theory, that is the Rosenthal effect. Kindly note this, Rosenthal effect. This is called Pygmalion effect. It is applicable to each and every teacher because what is the Rosenthal effect? What is this Pygmalion effect? There is a small story about a very brilliant horse. The horse has a unique ability to read your mind. It reads accurately. If you stand in front of the horse and in your mind you imagine a number, look into the eyes of the horse and you imagine in the mind a number. Okay, I imagined the number 5. I did not utter the number out. I imagined number 5. The horse taps 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the ground. What? How can the horse reads what I imagined? It must be a brilliant horse. All over the globe, the psychologists, they started studying the horse. What is so unique about this horse? You go and stand, imagine number 10 and look into its eyes, it taps 10 times. Accurate, near 100%. The psychologist shocked. It must be having some miraculous brilliance in this horse. But one interesting scientist, the psychologist, he noticed the horse failed 2 to 3 times. It couldn't read. It couldn't tap accurate number. This scientist, psychologist, went to that person whose number the horse could not read. Asked him, what did you think? He said that while this person, looking into the eyes of the horse, he exercised the doubt, ये बेकार है, ये कैसा रीड कर सकता है मेरा नंबर, ये फेल होगा ही होगा. This guy has the doubt about the ability of the horse. Their horse failed. This is called Rosenthal effect. If a teacher doubts the ability of a student, even in his or her mind, ये फालतू गया यार, ये बेकार backbencher है, he will never shine. This is the disservice a teacher doing to that young boy or a girl by doubting the ability of the student. I request, I beseech upon all the teacher community of our state, beautiful state, take a pledge to yourself not to doubt the ability of even the backbencher, even the poorest of the student. Sir, I want to study why there is the school dropouts. In a place like Shillong, which is the education hub of the entire Northeast, it's shocking to hear the BPL family students, I don't know why they dropped out. If a student is dropped out, if I'm the student, I'm a teacher in that class, my attention first goes to the family, why is dropped out? Is it economic reason? Is it social reason? Is it personal reason? Or is there some other reason? The teacher shall become more and more attached to that dropped out boy or a girl. Go to the family, call them, say that why? Because education is the real investment, sir, for future of our state. Kerala 99.99% literacy rate. Back home, the Mizoram is 98.5% the literacy rate. Our state is still 70%. I want to see during this, sir, 50th year of our wonderful, the Golden Jubilee statehood, can we pledge that every person in Meghalaya, 3.5 million, 35 lakh, will be literate, 100% literate? Because, sir, education transforms the society.